Good day, everyone. I'm Steve John, the founder and principal consultant for the Cortelligence Group, and I'd like to thank you for your time watching this quick video of who we are and how we help companies in PMO and SDLC best practices. What is PMO? PMO stands for Project Management Organization or Project Management Office. SDLC stands for Systems Development Lifecycle. These are tools and methodologies that are primarily used for managing technology projects through a structured process that drives to deliver successful results in technology enabled application development. So, who we are? We are a customer centric general consulting practice focused on providing clients the tools needed for technology project management, technical business analysis, training, documentation, templates for systems development lifecycle and PMO, and best practices for running an information technology operation. What we do is we provide companies with tools, methods, documentation, and other customized areas of consulting that companies spend a lot of time up front developing on their own. So, for example, your company may be starting a new project. Maybe you don't have a very mature IT department that has a lot of documentation and a lot of development processes. So, what we do is we can provide you with those services upfront, ad hoc, however you want to do it, at a very reasonable cost. Why Cortelligence? We are a small organization, but we're small and lean. That allows us to streamline project management and business analyst activities through providing you with project and PMO templates and business analyst templates. You can take these templates and you can rearrange them to your heart's content. You can customize them with your logos. You can add to them. You can subtract to them, whatever you want. Once you buy them, they're yours. We are low cost and time efficient. We are available 24 hours, and you can have access to our resources at any of those times. More than half the price to buy standard templates is saved than having your internal resources do it. In other words, when you buy our templates and when you use us, you're going to spend an eighth of the cost than you would to bring in a contractor or consultant or pay the cost for one of your internal resources to do what we already can provide for you at a much faster rate. I'll get into that here in a little bit. An experience. We have well over 10 years of PM and BA experience. We come from the big five consulting organizations. We know how they do their work, and we follow a lot of their processes. And that's what our background's in consulting. So think about the time and money spent using your internal resources to develop and maintain project templates and project activities. Chances are, if you're starting up a new project, you're probably spending maybe a week to a month just creating templates and documents. That costs a lot of money. You're looking at probably, you know, 80 to $100 an hour. Why pay that when you could buy a template from me, from our organization, for 5 to 10, maybe max $20 per template, or we can offer you a customized package. So I'd like you to think about that for a minute. Our areas of expertise are project initiation, for one, developing business cases, and project scope definition. We have templates that allow you to tailor and customize business cases and set up project scope definition. Requirements analysis, business requirements definition, and requirements traceability matrices. We have the tools to get you set up and running with those types of documents. System testing, test strategy, test cases. Again, we have expertise and knowledge in setting up the test strategy for system testing. Test cases to help you test certain variables within a project or within a systems application. We also offer release strategy guidelines, and we also offer general fixed price consulting. So, for example, if you buy a business case template from me and you need extra help developing it, I can offer you either free consultation for a one time, or I can offer you a fixed price rate of the going rate for what my services are, which would be much less than what you would pay to have a big five consultant do it. So think about that. Industry served, we have a very broad range. Consulting is one of those things where um, areas of expertise are very important. So, for example, consumer packaged goods, we have collateral in that area, business intelligence and data warehousing, retail, automotive, financial services, manufacturing, and ERP, as well as telecom. And there are many other areas that we can fit in as well. And if I don't have the resources, I can find them for you. So think about that for a moment. Think about what we can offer you. Contact me, www.cortelligence.com. Visit our website, look at our template list, contact me, steve@cortelligence.com, and we can talk. We can talk about services that I could provide you. All of my work is done over the phone, over Skype, via remote access. There's no travel, there's no high-priced consulting fees that I charge. I am a very small organization, and I could provide you the biggest bang for your buck that you will ever find. I guarantee it. This concludes our presentation. I hope you have time to give me a call. Thanks.